Hi, Banani.
Good evening, everyone. It's a pleasure to be here, and I'm so glad you guys could make it here. I'm going to quickly start with the collection that the brand has, the Spring-Summer collection. I'll quickly get to it. I'm going to start with the denim collection, which is very in, and that's the main focus of the brand right now. They have this really amazing collection at the moment, which has like really nice high-waisted jeans, and we have these denim trench dresses, which is my favorite actually, one of my personal favorites. And I have styled 2 models right now, which I would like to get them in just to showcase my favorite picks from the denim collection. I'll just show you something from Aviator Spice that I really love. I think this is one of the jackets which I love. You can wear it casually. You can wear it to even like a nice party. It basically goes with everything. That's one of my favorite looks. That they have these really nice jumpsuits, which are again very easy breezy. You can wear it to a picnic, you can wear it out in the evening. I mean, these are, I think, 2 looks which are my favorite from Aviator Spice. They also have these really nice rustic prints. Which are again something to go for. Very interesting prints. Very interesting flower prints, which are again very different from the usual flower prints that you guys see. These are Japanese flower prints, and they're amazing. They look amazing. The colors are great. So yeah, this is a little bit about Aviator Spice.
Which one would be your favorite?
My favorite is the trench dress, which has the bow thing on it. This is one of the most in trend of the season, like look, which is doing the rounds with internationally. So this is, I think, one of my favorite picks.
If you had to choose one from your prints, then
Would be the printed jumpsuit. Yeah, the rustic colors and the print is just perfect.
So guys, we have with us one of the leading fashionistas, a very talented actor. She has given us one of the biggest hits today in the name of Kung Fu Panda, which has crossed 100 million worldwide. Kung Fu Yoga. Kung Fu Yoga, I'm sorry. So, can we please have on stage Amira Dastur?
भाई यार मेरा पानी ये पूरे
हाँ लुक सेंटर पांडा
ये
वो मंग्या था हाँ लुक हाँ मगा कट लुक सेंटर अरे यार
आगे अजून जा पुढे
अरे अनिकेत मागे ना राजा
हमारा
तुझी कमी होती
Guys, I'm just going to begin. So Amira is somebody who I style on a regular basis. She's one of the top leading ladies at the moment, and I love styling her. She is one of my best friends also, like she said. So I've styled her in pieces from Pramod, from their latest collection, which I just described. She's wearing this military green jacket, which is again one of the pieces that I love from their collection. She's wearing the high-waisted denims that from the denim collection, which is again one of my favorites. It's the color's perfect. It's like these are the sort of colors to look out for at the moment. Like the washed-out jeans are in, but I think the plain jeans are again back. So yeah, so that's something that I styled her in, and yeah, so this is the look that I have for, yeah, it's casual, it's something that she would wear. I think this is one of her personal styles that she would wear and be comfortable in. So yeah.
Hi, Amira. So, I mean, how would take care of yourself this summer as far as hygiene? What are your summer preparations?
So I've always said this in every interview when it comes to skin and healthcare and everything. You are what you eat. I drink a lot of water, and especially with the heat going on right now, you need to make sure your body isn't dehydrated. So a lot of fruits, a lot of watermelon, a lot of water, a lot of nimbu pani actually, and yeah, just keep yourself hydrated and you'll be fine.
Thank you. And if you had to choose one thing in denim, then what would that be? Like that you could wear at any occasion or for anything?
I think the denim dress is really in right now, like your normal 3/4 denim dress. So I think that's a necessity. We've seen everybody wearing it from Priyanka Chopra to Sonakshi Sinha as well. So yeah, I think it's really in and it's really trendy.
And your favorite pick from promo?
This. I love the military jacket. I just love it. And jeans are my all-time favorite. They're comfortable, they're easy. Everyone can wear them. Everyone looks good in them. So yeah.
Okay, and what do you think about the collection, the new collection of promo?
I've always loved Promode. I've been shopping at Promode ever since I was actually 16 or 17. So for me, it's been like almost, 7-8 years now. So Promode for me is like home in a way. So I love their collection. I love their stuff. It's young, it's fresh, and it's fun.
But I have to tell you one thing, that you look so pretty in person.
That's because of my makeup artist. She's there somewhere. Hiding. Yeah.
Thank you.
चलो बाइट करो बाइट बाइट बाइट
राइट लो
यहीं से लो यहीं से आगे बढ़ जाना कोई यहीं से करना है बड़ा एक्सेल